What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Tyler if you're new. What's up? I know it's been a long minute since I've uploaded a video to YouTube, but we're not even going to get into all of that. If you clicked on this video, then you know that it is a makeup tutorial geared towards my brown skin and dark skin girls. I just wanted to be of assistance because I feel like it's not many people that you can look for actual help as far as, you know, a certain skin tone goes. So I wanted to be super detailed in this video and tell you why I use the products that I use. So let's go ahead and get to it. It's 2021. We about to be outside and I want all of my babes beat. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So that I like to put on my face before I go ahead and get into my makeup. So I do this with my clients too. I always like to go in with my Garnier Skin Active Micellar water to go ahead and further cleanse my face, get all the oils and dirts off of my skin. And then I like to go in with my all-time favorite. I'm looking for. So I also like to go in with an eye cream by Henriskin. It's the Banana Bright eye cream, and it's really good for makeup application. So I 100% recommend that everybody gets this product. It's just going to let your specifically concealer lay on your eyes so well in a mess. It'll help you out a lot. And then I like to take my Dermalogica skin smoothing cream. I've been using this for a little while. So it's a 48-hour active hydra mesh technology. So you're going to be hydrated for 48 hours even if you don't use the product, pretty much. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put all of that on my face and we can move on to the next thing. So to start with my brows, just by grooming them a bit with the Patrick Ta for brows clear brow gel. So what this is, it's a product that you activate with a setting spray or water. That's the only way it will work. And I rub my spoolie in there and I brush it onto my brows, and I let it set, let it dry up, do its thing, whatever. So, and for a primer today, I used my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I really enjoy this primer. It's not my favorite one, but whenever I want to try something else, this is one that I really grab towards. It's just really good at smoothing out your skin, giving a silk finish. So, yeah, I like my makeup to look like silk. Do you? I know I do. Going up with foundations, I do about 4 pumps of the Nars All Day Luminous foundation. I'm in the color New Caledonia. Caledonia is a little bit red for me. It goes a little red on me. Just it's a lot more golden than my face. So yeah, that's a whole nother thing, but this is usually the color that works really well. So one is Born This Way concealer by Too Faced in the color Butterscotch. And then I like to take my MAC Prolong Wear concealer in NC50. NC50 is personally my For my concealer, I'm going to be using 2 once again. One is from Juvia's Place in the number 12. It's for dark, deep skin that's golden. So if you're number 12, you're going to be more yellow, golden tone to be able to use this. Or unless you want to be that way. But if you're red, do not use it. And then I'm also going to put butterscotch under my eye as well. It's a little bit more brighter than number 12 from Juvia's Place, not by a ton though. And also when I am going down the corners of my nose, when I am highlighting my face, I like to go in with my MAC Prolong Wear Concealer in NC50 as well. Just like I stated earlier, it is closer to my skin tone, and I do not want to bring a color personally up my nose that's brighter. That's just something I don't want to do, but you definitely 100% can. After that, I'm doing this off memory, so give me a second. I like to take my Huda Beauty Tintor Contour and Bronzer Cream. I love this stuff. Live by it. It is so creamy and so easy to blend out. It gives you time to blend out as well. It doesn't just dry up on your skin as soon as it hits. So it gives you the mobility that you need to spread all over your face. Well, the perimeters of your face where you will either contour or bronze. I'm in the color 10, if you wanted to know. And yeah, I'm just blending that out to where it needs to be blended to. And usually after that, I like to take my setting powder. One of the setting powders that I love using is from Fenty Beauty. I know a lot of my setting powder. One of the setting powders that I love using is from Fenty Beauty. I know a lot of people personally do not like that the powder is a bit drier. I personally just think it comes with a learning curve to love it, pretty much. I love the coverage in the undertone and of how brightening this specific color is, and it's in the color Honey. Honey is for dark, I believe actually 10 to deep skin, so you can use it if you're on the thinner side, not to highlight you but to set your entire face pretty much. But if you are my skin tone or darker, you definitely want to put it under your eye areas where you went in with lighter colors to give you an additional brightening effect, but not too light, like it would be using a light banana color, then it'll just be super duper ashy and unnecessary. So I put that on all the places where I highlight. So that's under my eye, my forehead, bridge of my nose, and my chin area. And I also like to chisel out the bottom of my jaw just to give me more of a structure and a highlighted look as well. And it can kind of correct if you went a little bit too far down with your cream contour and kind of carve it out, like the same effect that concealer gives brows when you want to fix your mistakes. You can do that with the powder. Right, so after that's done, I'm going in with my eyeshadow. So I take my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer to go ahead and start off at the top of my, I don't even know how to explain it, but I pretty much start, I don't want to say the middle of my nose, but the part or the area where your the bridge of your nose and the front of your eyebrows connect the most is where I start off at, and I kind of just bring it down my nose a little bit. And I also start at the top because that's where I want most of the product to be. Much take my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I go in with this brown shade. I love this shade for transitions or to pat all over for darker skin tones. It's really, really beautiful. It's one of the browns that will not go purple or gray like too cool on darker skin. And so after I've done that, I'm just going to go in with another brown color. It's more on the warmer side, and it's from the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, and it's this deep brown right here. It's really, really red, and I love it. Just because, like I said, I do not like when my browns go too purple. Another good one, if you want to make it a little bit more darker, is the from the Jackie Aina palette, and it's in the color Credit, I believe. Works well. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Foundation Powder, and I'm going to put this all over my face just to set, so that when I go in with my bronzer and stuff, that it will not be patchy when I go to sweep in. Yeah, I just want all the powders to catch onto each other and not skip. But I am in the color 450 in the Fenty Beauty. Alright, so now I'm going to take a fluffy brush. It's the Inglot 3877 brush, and I pretty much just wipe it away from under my eyes where, you know, the cast is left over from the powder. Alright, and then I'm going to take my Mocha Mami bronzer once more and put it all over the places where I cream contoured. And for blush, I'm going to take one of my all-time favorites. I've had this same exact blush for years, and it's still one of my favorite blushes. It's the MAC Raizin blush. If I give you any tips for what to get from MAC, it would be their lip products and their blushes. It's so beautiful. The color payoff is amazing. The formula, amazing. Even after all of this time. Mascara, I use the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black OD, but a goodie. If you are like me and don't like investing in high-end mascaras, because I personally don't see the point, it is what it is. This is a really good one. 3 things to put on my lips at all times. So starting off with my favorite lip liner right now, it's the KKW line, the nude line. It's in nude 3. These lip liners are the shit. Like, you need it in your life. So creamy, so easy to apply, especially maybe if you have like drier lips where, you know, you find that the lip liner skips on your lips. This, you won't have a problem with it. It's that creamy, it's that movable, it's the bomb. Get it. Favorite nude color, Kinkster. So pretty. A perfect nude for me. And then I take my MAC lip gloss in the color Oh Baby. Oh Baby is a golden shimmery lip gloss that works well with women of color, dark skin, pretty much brown skin, dark skin, whatever you call it. So for my lashes, they're from the iEnvy collection in the number 38. I like how wispy and that they like crisscross and how crisscross they are. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply those. And off camera, I actually applied my Anastasia waterproof cream color eyeliner in the color Jet, and I put it in my waterline just because it is waterproof. It's not gonna go anywhere. On Morphe setting spray, pretty sure you guys already know about it. It's the continuous setting mist. It leaves like a demi matte finish onto your skin, which is why I like it so much. All she wrote on how I get, that is it. And all she wrote on how I get my everyday glam look. Oh, one more thing, I only put highlight on my tip of my nose, in the bridge of my nose as well, just to give a little pop or whatever. But yeah, that's all I do, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed. I will link everything that I used, including brushes, in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.